Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to do one challenge that I am doing first time in my YouTube channel, and the challenge name is try not to laugh. And in this challenge you have to in this challenge you have to do like there will be one person who will say some jokes, and you have to whoever is not saying the joke, he has to drink water and put it in their mouth until the joke gets over. And if the joke gets if the person try to laugh, or if he take out the water, or if he swallows it, means the person who said the joke, he'll get 1 point. So let's see who will win this game, and the maximum, whoever will reach till 11 points, they will win the game. So
Yes,
let's start.
and we have to drink some water, and the person who is saying the joke will say the joke.
So
let's start.
So let's do stone, paper, scissors. Who will say the joke?
Stone, paper, scissors. Yes.
Stone, paper, scissors.
Yes.
Stone, paper, scissors.
Yay!
He'll say the joke.
Okay, you drink
Oh,
water.
I have to drink water. It looks like a very warm water.
What? Whoa! What happened?
The cap went.
Oh. Sorry. What happened? Oh, she is taking the cap. No. He doesn't know where is it. You drink water, after that I again drink. There's no problem. Pause.
What? I'm feeling very. Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Drink water.
Okay, so now let me drink water. Let me laugh till that time. Okay.
Drink the water now. Okay. So, should I say the joke? Oi! Should I say? Now how should I wait now? How long should I wait now? When he will say this, then I will tell the joke. Okay. In the country Japan, there was 2 people. One named Joe and the second named Wo. So Joe and Wo was brothers, and one day Joe and Wo was sleeping, and Joe got a very fast toilet, and then when he get in then he saw a ghost, and he shouted, "Wo, come here!" So Wo came there, and Wo was so shocked by seeing the ghost, he died. So from the moral of the story is, जो डर गया वो मर गया.
That's a Hindi thing.
Yes, but I don't know it in Hindi.
जो मर गया.
Sorry.
जो डर गया वो घर गया. That means who is scared, they'll go house.
No, ये दूसरा था. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so why are you doing like this? Don't put your ears. Okay, 10. Now, I didn't say, means I got a point.
Yeah,
point,
but
point.
I will. Okay.
Okay, so I have got the score in the book, and this is me and Sparky, and I got score 1.
Okay, now it's my turn. I will drink water.
Oh, I don't know any joke.
Drink it.
But still, I will try to make her laugh so that I can get 1 more point. Okay, I'll create my own joke. Oh, what happened? Okay, so once upon a time, there was one person who was walking to a house in night, and he found one house, and he was thinking that it was his house. And then when he went over there, he didn't saw that was a haunted house. That's because he was like feeling very sleepy. So that's why when he go to the bell, then the door opened automatically, and he thought that it was somebody was there, so that's why he was thinking somebody was there. And then, but in real it was a ghost. She thought that it was her wife. And then one day, he started slapping her wife that because why did you didn't send me to come home early, but he didn't know that who he was slapping was a ghost, and then the ghost was trying to scare. And but she, what are you doing? He's thinking that what is happening? I
didn't laugh, but my mouth was hurting very much because I take very much water.
I have 2 points. I have 2 points. I have 2 points.
Drink water.
Now time to dive in the game.
I will also think a joke. Okay, now I will tell the joke. I know that he will not laugh, but I have to tell. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. A teacher asked a student to tell counting to 1 to 10. Then the student said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the teacher asked that where is 6? So the student said that I have seen in the TV today that in a car accident 6 is dead. Point.
It was not. I was not even smiling.
I got hurt.
I did.
Oh.
Yeah. Same. Yeah. Okay.
Ow.
Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
This time I will not laugh.
Oh boy. Oh
This time I will not laugh. Wait.
No. Oh boy.
Joke time. I am drinking water.
Okay. Now let me see.
Sit.
Yeah, let me see.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Think a joke.
Okay, I already did that.
Should I drink water?
Yeah. Of course. Okay, so this is the story of Parky. And one day she was playing in the phone one game named Evil Nun 2. And Evil Nun 2, she saw the evil nun who she was scared of most, and the pet of Evil Nun was Gummy. And she thinks that Gummy's eyes were so cute for her. I'm saying too. That Gummy's eyes were so cute for her. But whenever the Gummy comes, he always used to open his mouth like this. And then always used to take her hand. So one day he thought to kill that Gummy. That because it's so cute. But one day when she took the egg gun, poisoned egg gun to kill that Gummy, it was a monster. So when she tried to kill that Gummy, then when she saw in the eyes like this, then Gummy also got and then he said that, oh, okay. Then she did cook, and then Evil Nun came, gone. And then when she tried to escape, then she got very angry at that Gummy, and then she closed the phone. She went to hall, and then when I also came in the line, she said that, oh no, it's Gummy. She was saying me a Gummy. And then I died. Okay, she didn't laugh. Okay.
My mouth was it was hurting up very much, but still for the points I have done it.
Oh, then
Parky 1 point.
Then will you die for points? Oh.
Never.
By the way,
Never.
By the way,
That is only a
I
game.
have 3 points. But she has 1 point. Good.
It is hurting.
If you want that I should win, then please like this video.
And if you think that I should win, then subscribe this channel.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Your chance. Drink water.
And if you like this video, and if you want that we both should have a fight, then just save it better. And if you want that I should win, then do like and subscribe both. If you should win, then give a like and subscribe. And if you want her should win, then do just a subscribe.
And don't forget to hit
Press
that.
the notification bells for her if you do that. Good.
Why are you cutting?
What? What I'm cutting?
I am saying a sentence, you are cutting it.
Okay, do it. Seriously.
You first drink. One day, a woman came to a shopkeeper, grocery, to take grocery and vegetables. So, no, sorry, 2 minutes. I have to think a joke.
Now she's thinking a joke, then I have to again drink water. What?
Wait,
No.
sorry.
Last time. Why you always do this?
Don't, wait. Let me think a joke first.
Oh. Parky.
Me. Okay, drink water. Do here or here. Okay. One day a parrot asked a shopkeeper that, do you have mango? So the shopkeeper said, no, the mango comes in the summer season. So again he...
I'm starting at the starting only. No, so Parky got 2 points. But I have 3 points. Better.
Okay.
Okay.
Now your time. Now I will drink the water, then I will say here or here.
Okay, so once upon a time, there was one thief and he went with his team to loot one bank. And then over there some persons were there who were taking their money back who they saved in the bank. So when the thief came, they said hands up, but nobody got scared. After that, when thief said, why are you not scared of us? Then the person said, first see behind you what is there. Then when they see slowly behind, then they saw police. And then police said, hands up, otherwise we'll take you to the jail. And then they gone. And they're beating so much, and by mistake they hit it on the police nose, and then blood came out. After that, the police took one belt and started hitting the thieves. After that, when they went to the jail, they said, what is this? I'm getting very much confused. What is this happening? What is this happening? After that, he said that the thief was thinking that, no, you are an actor, no, we don't believe at you. Then the police said, no, we are the real police. In real, the actors just took us to so that you get. After that, they used to get a very bad food. They always used to take a chalk and write some plans for escaping. And one time over there was one toilet. In that toilet, they went inside that and then they escaped. After that, the police again catched them. What?
Joke done.
One more point. Parky gets.
My joke is very, very, very short. Here. Very short.
Okay, so where's the sketch pen?
Sketch pen? Oh.
What?
Give me. My one more point. Okay. Sit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Drink water.
I think.
Oh Okay. Well, one day a person was doing jumping jack in a garden. Then suddenly his pant got tear and his bum. His bum. पानी निकला. The water has come out. The water has come out. See his lips. Water.
Bro, I'm drinking water, bro. Just little bit. No, water should be there, but not one drop. It was very bloody little bit. His pan got teared. It looks very bloody. But I got 1 point. Cool.
No.
No, I got. That because I don't love. That because I got to love. I don't know any joke.
Think.
Okay, no, I'm not think. Okay, let me say. You just drink it.
Okay. It should not be very long.
Okay, I'll make one movie joke.
2 minutes. 2 seconds. Okay. I will not laugh. My mouth is very hurty now, but I have to do.
Poor Parchi. 7 ups. Okay. So once upon a time there used to be 2 YouTubers named from P and A. That you already know who are they. P for Parki and A for Adil, myself. Oh, so they were making one video named this video, Not Laugh Challenge. And in the video, Parki said one joke that there was one teddy bear, and in that teddy bear there were 3 small babies sleeping over there. The one small baby was having a dark skin, and other small baby was having a light skin, and the third small baby was having one big mole, but on a white skin. So the brother came, the big brother, and they said that, oh, they all look very same, and the most ugly is the teddy bear. These 4 babies are very ugly, except the 3. Now can you say that who are those 4 babies? First is the black baby. Third is the light baby, what has nothing, and the third is the light one, and the second one is the dark skin one, and the another one is having a big mole. Now these are only 3. Now can you say that what is the 4th one? The 4th one is what? It's not a T. It's not a T. Then the 4th one was the baby. It was the baby. It was the teddy bear. And the teddy bear, that because it was having it was smaller than those babies also. What? Yeah. One more.
I was saying T because I knew that it was teddy. I have one more point. I am equal as Adivaya. 4. Okay. Next your chance. I don't have any joke only. 2 minutes. Let me think.
Guys, we have changed the thing. If you reach till 7th, then only whoever reaches 7th point first, they will only win the game. That because it will be so much time, so that's why let's do it. Okay, say the joke.
2 minutes.
Okay.
I have 4 points. Adivaya also have 4 points. Do you all know about Rod? Ice cream. Ice cream. So one day Rod become friends of the children. So one day the children said that
Because he said something wrong sentence, so that's why.
the ice cream game. So the you know that the Rod catches anyone child, he gives those children a ice cream, and then the children gets fat. So a child named Charlie is fat from his childhood. So one day the Rod became friend of children. So the children said, give us a ice cream so that we become slim again. So the Rod gave the ice cream to everyone, but Charlie is fat from his childhood, so he will not get fat anything. And after eating that ice cream also, so the Rod gave the ice cream to Charlie also. The Charlie became slim for some seconds only. After seconds, he became fat again. So Rod warned him. The Rod again think that he cannot make the children slim who is fat from his childhood. And then everyone laughed at him.
Yeah, it's good. India, more less water with a little bit. But yeah, I got no score.
You drink some water.
No. Means I drank little bit. Means not that. I drank little bit from this bottle.
Okay.
I didn't took so much.
Sit.
Okay.
Now it's Adamya turn. Give me some space.
Okay, so one second.
रुकिए wait, I have to drink water. One serve.
Okay, so once upon a time, there used to be one train, and that train were more than 100 people. And means not a train, not more than there was one aeroplane, and that there were so many 15 people, 15 passengers in one plane. Okay, so in that 15 passengers, one passenger's kid said that this plane is very boring. It does not have any TV. It does not have a very good food. And my ears are also paining. Then their another father said that be quiet. Our respect will get gone. So everybody heard that and everybody started laughing. And after that, the pilot said that everybody don't laugh. Poor kid. But after that, everybody laughed at the pilot. Now can you say why? That because pilot is also laughing, but he also knows that by him also same thing happened, so that's why he is not feeling that much bad. That because by him also that same thing is happening. Good. You didn't laugh.
It was nothing funny about this.
I know that. Even that Rod one. He's a metal rod.
Okay, hey. One more point.
Paki got 5 scores.
Wait, I will count everyone's score. Okay.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are equal. Wait, I have to think a joke.